Cute. One grandma.
One grandma.
Rosalie, go get fees up here, you know, talk, but you can't talk to me, girl, half the year, you know, me can't go doctor or something. No, no, what you saying? So this year, pick up yourself, baby. Segment, where are you?
Tanya.
Ingrid, good morning, mama, how you doing? Alright, I would shoot a while ago this week, man. You did great. Segment, good morning, segment.
Thank you, Guzodan.
Man, sorry. Wig, thank you, Wig Zone. Why you not shut up about growing na me years old, man? Yes, I grown na me years old, man. You have VP or something, man? Triple guys.
Triple chat.
Triple chat. Triple my side. See all the palm me, I put your kids off and I use the vibrator. I look palm me and I use the vibrator.
What up, sweet team?
Rose, I read the circle palm me and I use the vibrator and think, but I feel like I'm here to do it.
I'm going to sit my stomach. I don't even see as a man.
How you see me as Rose? Eh? You see me as a girl? Yeah,
exactly. You know, why would
I'm see as a cow. I see as a pig, I see as a big back TV and a big two-door fridge. See, you don't see me as a man, you see me as a woman. I see as a big back TV and a fridge.
That can't phase me. That can't phase me. You don't talk, lady. Lady, you don't talk, miss.
Yeah, you don't talk, cow?
Okay.
Me, I gotta see it as fake. Because if you can't handle me being real to you, that means that you not real to me. And I don't know, I don't want that. You have to go move over. I have a question. If somebody tell you to keep it real with them, and you keep it real, not disrespectful, but just real, and then that person gets into their feelings, how do you then perceive that person? Like, do you see them as fake? Because if somebody wants you to be real and then you do it, and then them start to take offense to it, doesn't that show that them have a little toops of fakeness? Because if you cannot handle when somebody's real to you, how are you going to be real to somebody? You get what I'm saying? That make sense? Follow me. Follow it.
People see that it's a art. The man blood put a people put it in a joke. See that the man blood in a art. People see that. Ask any doctor, go up on any TV, see that it's an art sign the man blood in a people. The man blood farm out in a art people. If you want to say more things than that people. I see the people so The man slung this of people. He worked in teammates slung yes of people. And the boy them come right there some people. So now you could escape people. The camera light the right there so them eye people. You understand? So they match the money do and I ready for going friend birthday party people. I never know say a film last year the people. The zinc did the right there some people. So when you hear the zinc and then the gating and the zinc gate people, see that development people, black sand and cement people. So the people will develop, see the big multi-million-dollar gate over there some people. So I build the people, I build people. So I get to look at how to build zinc fence people. PI independent people live around people. So nobody can come to about a zinc fence get a thing people. You understand? Or know the emperor already people. You understand? Rasta team the man surrounded by so big up all of the Rasta them. You understand? So Bobo your people so they can Bobo why name a TikTok page? Bobo gang TikTok page people so they can go up on it. The boss got the point to collate people and they doing things and people and them things and support the youth them people. So I don't want to stop support the youth them, give them some more likes, give them some more share. People, me make millions of dollars off fight people. You understand? I'm here help out the whole heap of people. I like me tell baby.
DT? DT? It's wired in. Is he? How about now? You still wired in?